Sony has unveiled Xperia 1.6 flagship and Xperia 10.6 mid-ranger smartphone today. Sony Xperia 1.6 will also be available in 4 colors. The Sony Xperia 1.6 will have a 6.5-inch 2K resolution screen. The display is now brighter 2 up from 900 nits to 1300 nits and adjusts between 1 Hz and 120 Hz. The Xperia 10.6 feature a 48-megapixel primary camera with an XMR-T lens with Zeiss optics, 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle sensors, and 12-megapixel telephoto, up to 7x zoom to capture distant subjects with clarity. Even it shows till 138mm. As expected, the Xperia 1.6 moves up to the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with 12GB of RAM. Pair the hardware with 256GB of storage, and boots Android 14 at launch and will get 3 Android version updates and 4 years of security updates. The Xperia 1.6 is 8.2mm thick and weighs 192 g, and it comes with both IP65 and IP68 ratings for dust and water resistance. And of course, the 3.5mm headphone jack is still in there too. The battery capacity is 5000 mAh with a 30W charger. It starts from €1 399/£1 299 and will be available from early June. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.